Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can Gemini predict the price of XRP for the end of 2026? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we normally play this game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Since we've played this game with so many of the other AIs, ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, I figured it's time to give Gemini a chance at bat, so here we are. So let's get to the question. Hey Gemini, I wanted to start a crypto prediction game and we're starting with XRP. Right now XRP is sitting at around $2.07. Take a look at the current conditions in the crypto market, global markets, and XRP's price action over the past year. This includes things like new crypto laws or rules or government actions, and bigger global or economical issues that could affect markets. Based on that, tell me where you think we are in the XRP market cycle right now. Are we in a bull market, a bear market, or somewhere in between? Then tell me where you think XRP will be 12 months from today. Give me 3 guesses, a bullish guess, a bearish guess, and your main guess. For each one, give me one exact guess and a small range around it. No need for a full breakdown, just give me the answer. Alright guys, and we officially have our answer from Gemini, and they gave us a lot more information than I actually wanted. I like to go in blind with their answers, so we don't hyper analyze what their opinion is, we just go in blind. But there it is, here's everything if you want to read it line by line. Basically, what Gemini is saying is basically because of the ETFs, because of the Clarity Act, because the economy is really good, that is why it's picking the guess that it did, and it believes we're in an institutional bull market right now, which, oh, okay, cool. I would ask Gemini, are you sure about that? But this is its reasoning. It really didn't take too much of the global market into everything. It seems like it was mainly focusing from the US perspective. But now that we have that, let's go to the actual guesses. And we have the bullish guess. This guess is if everything goes absolutely insane to the moon, this is the best possible outcome that Gemini sees, and this is the bullish guess. $5.85 is the official guess. The range it thinks it can be in is between $5.50 and $6.20. Then we have the bearish guess. This is the guess where if everything goes wrong, the entire market collapses, another FTX or something like that happens, this is where the price would be. The bearish guess, $1.45. Range $1.30 to $1.60. And now we have the main guess, the official guess. This is the guess that we will judge Gemini based off of. Their prediction is $3.15. The range where it thinks we're going to be at is around $2.95 and $3.35. So there we have it, guys. That is Gemini's official guess. It really went hard on the focus of the US economically, even though I asked it to look at the globe as a whole. But there's the guesses. Let me know what you guys think. Are you on the bullish side of things, the bearish side of things, or do you think their actual guess is right on point for the end of 2026? Or do you think that all of these are wrong and it's going to zero or it's going to $50,000 by the end of this year? Let me know in the comment section below. I really am curious. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.